Sidelang is a tool for multilingual websites that raises the visibility and power of your expensive website translations. But first let's understand what Sidelang is. Here you can see a traditional website. This is for an international education project. There are 6 European languages on this website, and each of the buttons here takes you to a separate website, in fact, which contains that language. This only gives priority to one language at a time, and there's no way to compare those translations. Now here's the Sidelang customizable toolbar. From here we can select any one of those 6 languages. So let's see what happens when we choose a language. Let's choose Italian. Now straight away we can see that the screen is split into 2, and this is all the way down the page. And in fact the translations of the English and the Italian over here are consecutive to each other all the way down the page. But not only that, we can choose any of those other languages. So let's choose Spanish this time. And again we can see here is the English, here is the Spanish. But not only that, we can even share these translations by touching the separator. We can then take a link and share that on Facebook or on Twitter, just like that. Let's have a look at another website, and here we can see that the Sidelang toolbar is actually at the top of the page. And in fact this has even been customized, as we can always customize any of them to match the languages of the site. At the moment we have this site in English and in Russian. Let's see how it looks in Arabic, which goes the other direction. So we can see it even accommodates languages in either direction. But what does this mean for your website? It shows that you respect your visitors, their languages, their culture, and it builds credibility and trust into what you're doing with your website. It's particularly important when you have diverse users from different ethnic groups or countries. And most importantly, it raises the value and effectiveness of your website and the services that you offer. And finally, of course, you directly help with language learning and the translation process. Sidelang can be installed on most websites in hours or days. Just write to us through the Sidelang contact form with your website address to find out how.